Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will demonstrate you my another project. This project is I built a website using AI technology to teach students their books or subjects. So this is a complete website. I can host it now and it is ready to work. So let me show you what it does. First, there is some introduction. What it does, you can upload images, you can interactive learning, simplified concepts. These are the available courses. Of course, all these courses are not available yet, but I'm focusing to have these courses. And now there are the pricing here. If I click this one, okay, currently this button is not enabled. The way you can purchase is inside. So get started. Here you can buy it. You have multiple options. If you click buy, you have the payment option. You can actually purchase those. It is working. I just have to put this button at the back side. But anyway, now this have other features like it tracks the time, how much time you spent on studying. So like when a student get a device to study, they don't study, they go to something else like watching YouTube video, they do some random things, playing games like that. So parent later on can see how much they have been studied. So they can see this graph and they can find out. And here are recent courses. So let's select the course, class 8 science, and the crop production or microorganisms. Let's try the part chapter 2. Now open it. Okay, so here it's saying microorganisms spring and fall. This chapter shows complex. Okay, it's just introduction. Let's move on. And here is the main topic. What are microorganisms? Okay, there are a lot of things, so let's go with the very basic. And imagine I'm a student who don't know what microorganism is, so I can simply ask what is, or if I don't want to type, then I can say in here, what is microorganism? Tell me in one single line. Okay, now it should work. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here, what is microorganism? Tell me in single line. So if anything wrong in the spelling, then I can edit it, then send it. It looks all good, so I'm sending. So in one single line I got the answer if I had the confusion. So microorganisms are tiny living organisms, often single cell that cannot see with the naked eye, including bacteria, fungi, protozoa. Okay, now any student who didn't know what microorganism is can understand with this single line. Instead of reading a large paragraph to understand what microorganism is, so they can simply ask questions the way they want the answer. And let's say, okay, let's move on next page here. So these are all the contents taken out from their textbook, so it's not just teaching out of context. So these notes are generated automatically using AI. And here more. So if I have to ask a question from this and I don't know what to ask, then I can click on this button. This will generate questions that I could ask, like please explain simpler terms how yeast helps in baking. So these are the questions I can ask. So if I need to hide it, here we go. And another button here, it shows all the contents list. So it is nitrogen fixation. Nothing much in the nitrogen fixation, so only a few lines. Nitrogen cycle, here it is. Okay, and of course I can upload image and ask question from the image. Like I could upload this nitrogen cycle image and I can ask what something is, so it will use AI technology to answer from the image. So this is how this application can help a lot to teach a student their way. Like some student learn different ways, so this is like most of interactive way they can learn with the help of AI. So it looks good. Okay, I'm closing, or this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.